Hi viewers! Today we will share an amazing story of Nvidia, a technology company that started from scratch and touched new heights in no time. This company supplies graphics processing units that play a key role in artificial intelligence, robotics, and high-performance computing. This California-based company is also famous for its foresight, innovation, and strategic decisions, and therefore is bringing about a revolution in artificial revolution. This American multinational corporation creates application programming interfaces, APIs, for data science and provides advanced software and chips for future AI technologies. Mr. Rao, who once worked for semiconductor giant Intel, had to move to Nvidia because Intel was working slowly. Since Nvidia upgraded its products with new AI featured, Mr. Rao comparing Nvidia's chips with its rivals and came to know that the majority of AI programmers use the company's AI products. As Mr. Rao says, everybody builds on Nvidia first. If you come out with a new piece of hardware, you're racing to catch up. Not only can Nvidia's chips generate text for chatbots like ChatGPT, but they can also handle complex AI did tasks like text, facial and speech recognition. The amazing thing about Nvidia is that it recognizes the AI trend early, customizes its chips to the required tasks, and creates the main components of software that can support AI development. Jensen Huang, Nvidia's chief executive, puts the customers first and ensures to provide them a one-stop shop AI developed by offering them access to specialized computers and other AI tools. With this approach, Nvidia's co-founder has maintained its leading position and raised the bar. Research by a firm Omdia confirms that compared to Amazon, Meta, Google, IBM, etc., Nvidia is providing more than 70% of AI chips and holds a significant position in providing generative AI model in the global market. Reports show that Nvidia has become the world's most valuable chipmaker and crossed over $1 trillion in market capitalization. This clearly shows that Nvidia has become a visible winner of the AI and expected to fulfill the AI demand. An analyst, Danielle Newman at Futurum Groups, is amazed to share that customers are ready to wait for 18 months to buy AI chips from Nvidia rather than purchasing from other sellers. He says, customers will wait 18 months to buy an Nvidia system rather than buy an available, off-the-shelf chip from either a startup or another competitor. It's incredible. Mr. Huang, known for manufacturing black leather jackets, often talks about it. I believe that computing is going to take a paradigm shift. Since IBM has been providing software systems for the past 60 years, now special-purpose chips are in demand instead of standard microprocessors and AI chatbots fulfilling the requirements of complex software coding. Mr. Huang stats, the thing that we understood is that this is a reinvention of how computing is done. And we built everything from the ground up, from the processor up to the end. Nvidia's history goes back to 1993 when it would make chips that create images in video games. Regular microprocessors would perform complex calculations and the company GPUs perform many tasks simultaneously. In 2006, Mr. Huang took Nvidia to the next level and launched software technology called CUDA. This program enabled GPUs for multiple tasks rather than performing single-purpose tasks. These new chips were able to perform jobs related to physics and chemical recreations. A revolution came in 2012 when GPUs were enabled to perform tasks accurately and were able to recognize a cat in an image, which paved the path of generating images from text queries. Mr. Huang talks about the advancement in these words. Nvidia responded by turning every aspect of our company to advance this new field. Nvidia is not just an AI component, it has spent more than $30 billion over a decade to become a leader in AI wood. Not only is the company collaborating with popular scientists and startups, but it is also seriously working on training and creating AI language models. Nvidia is unique among its competitors because it delivers chips every couple of years. For example, in 2017, the company enabled its GPUs to handle some particular AI calculations. As we see, Nvidia is not only selling circuit boards for other companies' systems but also providing complete computers to perform AI take it effectively. For example, the company is providing supercomputers for companies' systems by employing thousands of GPUs and networking technology. As Mr. Huang says, this type of computing doesn't allow for you to just build a chip and customers use it. You've got to build the whole data center. Then came the iPhone moment, according to Mr. Huang, in last September when Nvidia aimed to launch a new chip named H100 which could handle transformer operations. This actually laid the foundation for services like ChatGPT. Nvidia has plans to further its influence and therefore partnered with big tech company Inflection AI. The company is ready to receive $1.3 billion from Nvidia to finance the purchase of 22,000 H100 chips. Inflection's chief executive, Mustafa Suleyman, admits, there was no obligation to use Nvidia's products, but competitors offered no viable alternative. None of them come close. Nvidia's rivals are intimidated by the company's services and acknowledge It was tough to compete with a company that sold computers, software, cloud services, and trained AI models, as well as processors. Andrew Feldman, chief executive of Cerebras, a startup that develops AI chips, says the company is ready to compete with its customers. He says, unlike any other chip company, they have been willing to openly compete with their customers. Even Google, that is creating AI chips for the past 10 years, used Nvidia's GPUs for some of its tasks. As a Google vice president and general manager of compute infrastructure admits, demand for Google's own chips is tremendous, but we work really closely with Nvidia. According to industry executives and analysts, each H100 chip costs $15,000 to more than $40,000. The cost of the chip varies depending on the package. You may find Nvidia's chips expensive, but they are quality for money. However, the company's competitors find room to compete in pricing. For example, a vice president at Amazon's cloud unit, David Brown, says, pricing is one place where Nvidia has left a lot of room for other folks to compete, and argues that its own AI chips are a bargain compared with the Nvidia chips it also uses. Mr. Huang believes that chips' greater performance saves customers money. He says, if you can reduce the time of training to half on a $5 billion data center, the savings is more than the cost of all of the chips. We are the lowest cost solution in the world. Nvidia is not going to stop here because it is now promoting a new product, Grace Hopper. This product uses less energy and combines GPUs with internally developed microprocessors, and even rivals admit that it uses much less energy for running AI services. Let's talk about the early days of Nvidia. Jensen Huang, the founder and CEO of the company, started his career as a waiter's assistant at Denny's. However, Huang was not ready to settle for less, and his deep love for computer science carved his future. Huang's destiny led him to work as a microprocessor designer at Advanced Mirco Devices, AMD, a prominent chipmaker. During this time, Huang foresaw the future of personal computers which could achieve incredible graphics processing. Nvidia is a brainchild of 3 men. Huang met with 2 colleagues at a Denny's and they planned to form a new company. The name Nvidia was derived from the Latin word invidia, which means envy. The name company showcased their vision to produce such graphic cards that its rivals would envy to create. In its early years, Nvidia focused on developing its technology and establishing a reputation in the computer hardware industry. The company's major breakthrough occurred in 1999 with the introduction of the GeForce 256, which was the first graphics processing unit, GPU, specifically designed for gaming. The GeForce 256 transformed the gaming industry by separating graphics rendering tasks from the central processing unit, CPU. This separation enabled much faster and smoother gameplay, significantly enhancing the gaming experience for millions of players around the globe. The success of the GeForce 256 positioned Nvidia as a leader in the GPU market. In subsequent years, Nvidia launched increasingly powerful graphics cards that consistently outperformed those of its main competitor, AMD, allowing them to secure a substantial market share. While Nvidia thrived in the gaming sector, the company's leadership, especially Jensen Huang, had a broader vision. They realized that the powerful processing capabilities of GPUs could be utilized for tasks beyond gaming graphics. In 2006, Nvidia made a strategic decision that significantly influenced its future success by introducing CUDA, a software platform that enabled developers to utilize Nvidia GPUs for non-graphics applications. This innovation expanded the potential uses of GPUs dramatically. CUDA allowed Nvidia GPUs to facilitate various applications, such as 1. Video editing, speeding up video rendering and effects processing through GPU acceleration. 2. Financial modeling, running complex financial simulations more efficiently. 3. Cryptocurrency mining, utilizing the parallel processing power of GPUs for tasks like Bitcoin mining. The most profound impact of CUDA was on artificial intelligence, AI. The platform became the preferred choice for developing and training advanced AI models. As the 2010s progressed, AI emerged as a transformative force across numerous industries. Machine learning and deep learning, key subfields of AI, require substantial computational power, which is where Nvidia's GPUs excelled. Nvidia's GPUs proved particularly effective for AI tasks due to their ability to perform numerous calculations simultaneously, a critical feature for training complex AI models that often deal with vast datasets. Consequently, Nvidia GPUs became the preferred choice for AI researchers and companies. Some notable applications of Nvidia technology in AI include 1. Medical research, accelerating simulations for drug discovery and disease research. 2. Autonomous vehicles, companies like Tesla leveraging Nvidia technology to train algorithms for self-driving cars. 3. Natural language processing, training large language models for chatbots and translation services. Nvidia solidified its dominance in AI hardware as major cloud service providers, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, increasingly relied on Nvidia technology for their AI and high-performance computing solutions. Nvidia's strategic positioning in the AI market led to remarkable financial success, with explosive growth in revenue and stock prices, especially since 2020, coinciding with the AI surge. In June 2024, Nvidia reached a significant milestone by becoming the most valuable company in the world by market capitalization, surpassing established tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Samsung. Before achieving this milestone, Nvidia made another strategic decision by implementing a 10:1 stock split, making individual shares significantly more affordable. This move aligned with a global interest in AI, attracting a broader range of investors. Although Nvidia's stock price experienced some typical corrections common in the volatile tech sector, its overall growth trajectory remains strong. The company's commitment to innovation and its central role in the AI revolution indicate a promising future. Nvidia's technology is not merely transforming the tech industry, it is also influencing various other sectors. Examples include 1. Healthcare, accelerating medical imaging, drug discovery, and genomics research, leading to faster diagnoses and personalized medicine. 2. Automotive, enhancing the development of self-driving cars and advancing driver assistance systems. 3. Entertainment, utilizing NVIDIA GPUs for stunning visual effects, complex animations, and evolving virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. 4. Climate science, running intricate climate models to help predict and mitigate climate change effects. 5. Finance, modernizing the financial sector through high-frequency trading algorithms and fraud detection systems. 6. Robotics, enabling the development of advanced robots capable of learning. Despite its impressive success story, Nvidia faces several challenges ahead. 1. Competition, tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Apple are developing their own AI chips, threatening Nvidia's dominance. 2. Regulatory scrutiny, as AI technology becomes more pervasive, increased regulation may impact Nvidia's operations. 3. Geopolitical tensions. The ongoing tech rivalry between the US and China could disrupt Nvidia's global operations and supply chains. 4. Sustainability concerns. The environmental impact of the energy consumed by data centers running AI workloads on Nvidia GPUs is growing, presenting a challenge the company must address. However, Nvidia's future still looks promising. The company is consistently innovating with research into more powerful and efficient GPU designs and specialized AI chips. As AI continues to develop and explore new applications, like the potential creation of artificial general intelligence and the metaverse, Nvidia is well positioned to play a pivotal role in these advancements. Nvidia's journey from a startup founded in Denny's booth to the world's most valuable company exemplifies innovation, strategic foresight, and adaptability. By constantly pushing the limits of GPU technology, Nvidia has revolutionized not only the gaming industry but also placed itself at the forefront of the AI revolution. Looking ahead, it's evident that AI will continue to reshape our world in significant ways. From healthcare to transportation and entertainment to scientific research, AI is set to transform nearly every aspect of life. With its powerful technology and strategic vision, Nvidia is poised to remain a leader in this technological revolution. Nvidia's story serves as an inspiration to entrepreneurs and innovators everywhere. It illustrates that with the right vision, persistence, and the ability to adapt to technological trends, a small startup can grow into a global leader. As the AI era continues to unfold, attention will be on Nvidia for its next groundbreaking innovations. This wraps up today's video. If you liked it, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.